Where is your next destination?
Make some noise! Here we go!
Hey guys, welcome back here to my channel, and it's another travel video, and this time it's gonna be more exciting because we're going to the city that never sleeps. But before that, please watch how we pack up things and prepare things for our 5 day trip to New York, that I'm pretty sure you can get some tips, ideas at the same time for your future travels. Alright, so I'm excited to pack up things, what is necessary, so keep watching. So we're done picking out our comfiest outfit for the big city. So our problem today is how this stuff or clothes be fitted to our luggages. So let's find out. So earlier we tried to fit them all, but still it didn't work because the jackets are so heavy and it looks so bulky. So we look for another remedy because we still have a lot of things and stuff of the kids, even my clothes to put inside the luggages. And here comes our solution. This is a HIBAG vacuum storage bags that we bought from Amazon. This bag can keep your clothes and shoes amazingly neat and organized as well. And it's perfectly for travelers. It's convenient, lightweight, and flexible as well. So how to use this vacuum storage bag? It's very simple. Just pack up your clothes nicely. So make sure your clothes are ready. And once you're ready, you can now put the clothes inside the bag accordingly. Okay, just look how it is shown in the video. Just avoid overstuffing and spare at least 2 to 3 inches space beyond the zip line. It helps enhance the vacuum later. Alright, once done, it's time to seal. So insert the clip, then hold one end of the zipper and pull the slider back to forth several times to seal well until the yellow line of the zipper is inserted between the blue lines. Lastly, turn the valve cap off and place vacuum hose over the valve and vacuum air out. By the way, there's an automatic vacuum that you can purchase online like Amazon, so just check out one for your future travels. Alright?
A few moments later.
Paper science. Wow. Welcome home and welcome to New York. Wow, it's wonderful inside. I love the vibe. I love the interior design. It's like a static home in the big city. Oh, love rules. Oh, I love this. Full of cheer and good spirit. I love the vibes inside. I love the interior design, the settings. Let's go to the first room. This one, let's open this. This is the bathroom of the first room. Nice. I love it. Let's go to the other room. This is the living room and it has a complete kitchen as well, so we can cook whatever we want. This is exciting, so keep watching, guys.
The next morning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and right now we're here at Bryant Park, New York,
and we are so excited to explore the city. And there you go, there's a lot of people here, and we saw a beautiful and amazing view here. So stay tuned and let's see what this New York City makes a beautiful place. Keep watching.